All right, we're gonna build off that. That's our baseline. Here we go.
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Okay, here we go. Enter if you dare.
Boys and girls, welcome to the Carnival Curiosities Bar, where they are proud to present to you me.
Wow, that's so crazy.
My name is the Lizard Man, and for the next few moments out here on this stage, I'm going to present to you Found and Confused. Each individual and bizarre, just gather around right here. We got tables for your drinks, plenty of open space, and don't forget out a really good sense of knowledge. I got lizard smell. I can track things for miles.
That's so crazy.
It's okay.
Man,
you can smell over here. You guys don't mind
that
if they're a little bit smelly. High fiber?
Yeah.
Get by it. Just like it says here on my chest. That's right. It's a little something for the readers out there. Those of you who like to read, that's right. It's like closed captioning I wear on myself all the time. But I want you to understand this too. I was not born a freak. No. I had to do a lot of weird stuff to become the thing that you're looking at on this stage here tonight. I'm going to start off by telling you and showing you a little bit about what I've done. It starts with my tattoo. That's right, tattoo. It's not a costume, it's not makeup, there's no body paint involved. Everything you see on my body is 100% real. This is over 600 hours of tattooing, and it covers me from top to bottom, head to toe, face included. But that's just the beginning. If you've noticed these ridges over my eyes, they were created by having Teflon surgically grafted to my skull in a 6-hour operation without anesthetic. Yeah, I was awake the whole time. And it gets better than that. I've had my teeth filed down into points using a dentist drill. Check them out.
Wow.
But the reason they started calling me the Lizard Man is my tongue. Or I should say my tongues, plural. Because I do have two. In 1997, I invented an operation to split the tongue using a biopsy laser. I got to smell and taste my own burning tongue as it was split in half. Check it out.
Oh, man.
But I don't just want you to see my split tongue, I want you to see what it can do. So right now I'm going to share with all of you guys the 4 special tricks I've taught my tongues over the years to perform. Each one has a name, and each one gets more difficult as I go. I'm going to start with the easiest, the open and close. Yeah, it's kind of like oral applause if you think about it. Yeah, I'll give you a second to think about it if you like. The second one I'm going to show you, this one is a little bit more difficult. I call this one the up and down.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah, ladies, it's statistically 10% of the men. Now that I have your full attention, watch what happens when I do those 2 moves at the same time. It's going to create what I like to call the crossover effect.
Oh my God, that is ridiculous.
But I always save the best for last. This 4th and final move I'm going to show you, it took me 2 years to learn this. 2 years of practice and training to do this move. And in all that time, I couldn't think of the right name for it. Till the night my wife told me what she calls it. This one is known as the Oh My God.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much for that, but we are just getting started. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't travel all around the country and all around the world. I think that's funny.
Oh.
Now the fork is ready. I'm ready. Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? Yeah! All right, we're going to build off that. That's our baseline. Here we go.
Oh my God, this man is better.
It's okay, it's okay. The first time I saw this, I forgot to applaud too.
Oh boy.
Come on, I'm lobotomizing myself for your entertainment. It's kind of the least you can do. That's right. Yeah, if you got a drink in your hand, just slap yourself in the face. That's just as good. That works too. Now, here's the thing. I know you're wondering about this, and it is real. It's not a trick. It's not to you. It's very simple. I'm missing part of my brain. Yeah. And you just believe that with no question. Thank you so much for your comments. It's all right, it's all right. It's the part of your brain that tells you not to put forks in your face. That part of the brain is usually located right here. But watch, there's nothing there.
Oh.
And it just slides right in. Now, watch how it slides out.
It looks like it's backing into the station.
And just for good measure, another lift.
Oh.
Is my cranial corkscrew. Yeah. This is a corkscrew custom built for my head. I'm going to take the tip of it right here. You've heard that before, just the tip. And I'm going to place it in my nose like the fork. But then, as I turn the handle, there's a twist. That's a pun. It's the highest form of humor. Don't fact check that. All right, here we go. Corkscrew through the head. That's lube. Lube is important when it's this big. Yeah. Hey, if you came here with someone who didn't laugh at that, leave with someone who did. You'll have a much better evening. All right, here we go. Watch closely and you might be able to catch the moment my jaw hyperextends to give it enough room to pass through. Here we go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, he put it through his ear.
I'm gonna keep doing it even though you're not looking. Oh, look at that, there's a good one.
Oh, yes, guy.
Hey, the free snacks are why I'm in this gig. That's ladies and gentlemen, the cranial corkscrew. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for sword swallowing. That's right, this is your chance to see a lizard man possibly die right before your eyes. I'm gonna take this blade and I'm gonna shove it down my throat all the way to the pit of my stomach. But before we do that, you know I don't like to go in dry, so a little bit of lube will help it on its way down. If you're recording, here's your money shot. Both sides at once.
Oh, man.
And just a note, if you're starting to feel tingly down here, just go with it. Just go with it. It's all right. Okay, I'm going to swallow the sword. Then I'm going to double the danger and the fun by bending my body in half. So you guys get a good shot of it down my throat. Then I'm going to stand back up, flip it up out of my mouth, vomit on these kids right down here, and catch the blade before it hits the ground. All right, I'm only going to do like 3 or 4 of those things. Let's see which ones. Here we go.
Oh my god! Oh!
Holy shit!
Yeah, the rain actually can go down your throat when you're swallowing a sword. I just learned that. How about that? If you've got a skeptic out there, look at that white goo on the end of the blade. That's proof that it was in my stomach. Because what you're seeing right there on the sword is lunch. Or more accurately now, dinner.
Oh, this guy.
It's always better the second time around. Now, folks, like I said, I don't want to keep you out here standing out in the rain any longer than we have to, but I also don't want to go without giving you an opportunity to grab a souvenir photo. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to jump down here off the back of the stage, stand right.
Nice job. That was a lizard man right there. Pretty
There we
cool.
go, yes. Clay, our stage manager, will direct. I didn't realize as soon as I went for cover, the rain died down again, so it didn't matter.
This is a quick video.
Oh, shoot.
This is the lizard man, y'all. It's Mr. Bucket List. Let's do it. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.
My pleasure, man.